guys, so we're doing something a little bit different today. Let's try those, Holly. I mean, Daddy. Holly. Daddy. Holly. Be excited.
Okay, come on over too. I'll just show you both how to hold it real quick. So left hand needs to go on there nice and tight. This back here is a safety, so if it's not pushed in, it won't fire. Okay. Right hand, you're gonna wrap fingers around fingers. Thumbs are gonna be on the side. Okay. Make sure your arms are out. You're lining this dot inside those two, just like the picture there. And then once you have that, a nice slow squeeze on this will keep the gun nice and straight. Okay.
Okay.
We have 20 shots. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. You're ready, go for it.
When you run out of ammo, I'm gonna tap you in the shoulder that will take. Right here.
Very good. They're all dead. There you go. You're welcome. Is that
Got
going to be
him?
it?
Yeah, there.
Yeah, that's it? Okay.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah.
And he's probably not going to survive either, so.
Okay. The target you can
All right, you ready?
okay?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, right here. Perfect. Arms out. Oops, sorry.
Gotta line up your sight,
Okay.
bud.
Nice slow squeeze.
Alright, when you're ready, grab me another target. Hold the trigger gun for about a second. You're going to shoot about 4 or 5 shots at a time. Going over. Do this, man. You're focusing with your left eye.
Alright,
Quite good.
we got him in the head, that's it. Yeah.
That was really
Go.
good. He's dead.
You guys really shoot bow and arrows?
I think I did pretty good. I think he's pretty dead. Got him in the chest the first time, and then the head
Brilliant.
the second time.
It was swinging as well.
It was swinging, and my hands are shaking so much. It's so scary. I don't know why people do this. Let's have a look at yours, Dad. The guy's gone to fetch me a pink AK-47. So you got him in the head a lot.
Well, I only concentrated.
Yeah, you concentrated on his head. I just wanted to hit the paper at the beginning. I was like, I'm just going to hit the paper.
What kind of rifles did you have a shot before?
2. Shoulder.
Okay, yeah.
So no.
Nice, nice.
The red dot.
No.
It's only on that.
Have you ever used a
Hold it
scope
really
before or
tight.
anything like that?
Years ago.
Okay. I mean, it's easy. All you have to look for is the cross in the side here. Left hand goes here, obviously. Nice and tight in your shoulder. Right hand, you have this little grip here. Okay. Keep on there. Just use that cross to aim. It's one shot at a time. About 20 of them.
Did I put any weight on the magazine itself, or?
Sometimes if you do, it'll jam up. Just try to keep it up like that.
Alright, I'm gonna walk you outside, okay? Alright, grab all your personal belongings and I'll walk you out. Yeah. It's very cool. You can walk into it.
Got him in the face.
Yeah, good Good job, man.
Yeah. One in the brain. Center brain.
His
mass.
hand, yeah.
And bullseye.
Right in the middle. Good job. Okay, so shoulder, left hand, right hand's under here. Inside this sign right here, you have a red dot. It looks kind of just like a laser. You're the only one that can see it though.
Yeah.
Okay? You're gonna see the front sight, just make sure you don't line it up with that.
Okay.
Okay. You have 10 shots.
That way?
Yep. Right hand up here. Yeah, yeah, good. Right hand up there. Perfect. Okay, you can put your elbow down on the table. Just try to keep the magazine up, okay?
Yeah.
See that red dot?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
Ow.
Alright, good job. You like it?
Yeah.
You guys want a picture with the guns?
But even then, I tend
Shouldn't
to
be
just
much
have it on
different.
3-round group
Yes.
first.
That's what we want to do here too. Anywhere, there's no setting on it, so it's just based on how long you're pulling the trigger down. So hold it long enough to do like 3 to 5 rounds at a time. This is our fastest shooting full auto gun that we have, so it's kind of a weird one to start out with, but it should be fine. Nice and tight in your shoulder again, left hand, right hand, and then you're looking through the circle here. You just line it up with that one straight. Okay. You have 2 magazines of 25 as well. This is pretty much a handgun. Right. It's been converted to full auto and then put this on top. Pretty cool. Pretty illegal. Alright. When you're ready. You can go longer if you want. Yeah. Oh, nice. Reload it. You like it?
Yeah. Although I think the rifle shooting is more elegant.
Yeah, that's more my style. I like to be accurate. This is just
Yeah,
kind
this
of
is just, yeah.
everywhere.
The first one hits and then the rest straight, don't it?
Wow.
There you go, not too bad. Especially for a crazy gun like that, you know?
Yeah, I was aiming for the head and then I thought, nah, center mass.
Yeah.
Rip him to bits instead.
Definitely rose up on you.
Yeah, dude,
Yeah.
I could feel it going up and to the side.
Alright, you want a picture with this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good right. That was amazing. What did you think?
It's good fun.
It's incredible. Mum, what did you think to your little girl with an AK-47?
I don't like how much was
A pink one.
It's like she's enjoying it.
I was like, I'm enjoying this. I need one of these myself.
Ooh, well, that was quick. That went quick. Remember?